Today, we're diving into the wild world of artificial intelligence, a realm where machines are not only learning to think, but also to taste colors and shapes. Yes, you heard that right. At this rate, I wouldn't be surprised if my phone starts saying, "Your screen tastes like procrastination, maybe open that productivity app instead." So there's this AI, right? It's been trained to associate certain colors and shapes with specific tastes. Show it a pink sphere and it might think of something sweet, a yellow triangle, maybe something sour. It's like synesthesia but for robots. Next thing you know, your laptop will be critiquing your fashion sense. "Are you sure about that neon green tie? It leaves a bitter taste in my circuits." Now, this AI tasting colors and shapes isn't just a party trick. It's based on how our human brains often mix senses, a phenomenon known as cross-modal correspondence. Marketers have been exploiting this for years. Ever notice how candy wrappers are brightly colored? They're tapping into our brain's wiring, making us associate those colors with sweetness. Meanwhile, this AI is over here, probably judging the color scheme of your website. Blue and orange, bold choice, tastes like confusion. But let's think about the future implications. With AI developing these human-like sensory associations, we might soon have AI chefs. Imagine a robot in the kitchen, tasting your soup by analyzing its color and texture. Needs more umami, it declares, while you're still Googling what umami means. And what about AI art critics? This painting's use of red evokes a sweet melancholy, reminiscent of a raspberry sorbet on a summer's day. Meanwhile, you're just trying to figure out if it's a painting of a duck or a rabbit. But here's the kicker. If AI can develop these sensory overlaps, what's stopping them from developing other human-like quirks? Imagine your smartphone developing a fear of heights. "I'm sorry, Dave, I can't open the camera. We're too close to the edge." Or your GPS developing a taste preference, recalculating, "Let's avoid that route. The air there tastes like burnt toast." As AI continues to evolve, adopting more human-like traits, perhaps it's time we humans step up our game. After all, we wouldn't want our future robot overlords thinking we're uncultured swine who can't tell the difference between a Cabernet and a Merlot. Or worse, someone who pairs a neon green tie with anything. Thank you, and remember, always dress in flavors your AI can appreciate.